For making oats idli, we need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of poha, 1 cup of grated carrot, half a cup of chopped capsicum, 1 cup of curd, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some mustard seeds, 5 to 6 curry leaves and some salt. First of all, soak poha in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, roast oats in a pan till it turns brown and crispy. Grind oats to a fine powder. Now grind this soaked poha to a paste. Now add this roasted oats powder to this batter. Add curd also and then blend it again. In case you find it too thick, add some water. Now pour this batter in a bowl. In case you still find it thick, just add some more water. Now let this batter rest for some time. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the seasoning. Now take some oil in a pan. And add mustard seeds. Then add curry leaves and capsicum. Now add salt. Now add the seasoning to the batter. Mix it. Add carrot. If you want it spicy, you can add some green chili also. But since I am making it for my baby, I don't make it very spicy. In fact, I don't add any of the spices. I missed mentioning it in the ingredients, but baking soda is a very important ingredient whenever you are making idli. Now apply some oil to the idli molds and put batter.